Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to increase BPM on Suno AI Studio, so you can make your song feel faster, more energetic, and better match to the style or mood you're going for. If you're looking to give a track more energy or bring it up to a specific tempo, adjusting the BPM, beats per minute, is the way to go. BPM controls how fast the music feels, and even small changes can make a big difference. For example, a slower BPM can feel more relaxed or emotional, while a higher BPM can make the same idea feel more exciting, upbeat, or urgent. So we'll do this carefully and keep your original safe. Start by opening Suno AI. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so you can access your projects and editing tools. This is important because your saved songs, previous generations, and editing options are connected to your account. Once you're in, head to the library. This is where all your songs live. Find and select the song you want to speed up. Picking the right version is important, especially if you have multiple drafts, so take a moment to choose the exact track you want to modify next. If you've generated several versions of the same idea, listen for a few seconds first so you don't accidentally edit the wrong one. Look for the three dots next to that song. Click those to open the Options menu. From there, click on Edit, and then choose Open Editor. This will bring you into the workspace where you can fine-tune your track settings. The editor is where you can make controlled adjustments, instead of starting over with a completely new generation. In the editor, locate the settings icon at the bottom center of the screen, and click it. This opens the control panel for your song. Here, click on Manual BPM. Manual BPM gives you more control because you're choosing the tempo, instead of relying only on the original generated feel. You'll see a number appear beside the settings icon. That number is your track's current BPM. Right next to it, you'll notice plus and minus controls. This is where you can make the tempo faster or slower, depending on what your song needs. Since we're increasing the tempo, click the plus button to add to the BPM. Aim for small, intentional increments. Adding a few BPM at a time helps preserve the groove and reduces the chance of unwanted artifacts. Keep an eye on the displayed number as you go, so you know exactly how much you've changed. For example, moving from 90 BPM to 95 BPM might give the track a little more lift, while jumping too far too quickly could make the song feel rushed or unnatural. Once you've brought the BPM up to your desired tempo, it's time to preserve your work. After increasing the BPM, click on Save as New Song. This creates a fresh copy at the new tempo while keeping your original version intact, which is great for A/B comparisons and future edits without losing your starting point. This way, you can listen to both versions side by side and decide which one works better for your video, playlist, project, or creative idea. That's the entire process. Open Suno AI, log in, go to your library, choose your song, use the three-dot menu to open the editor, tap the settings icon, switch to Manual BPM, increase the number with the plus control, and then save it as a new song. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy. With these steps, you can confidently dial in a faster tempo whenever your track needs more drive or urgency, all while maintaining a clean, organized workflow. Just remember to make small changes, save new versions, and compare the results before deciding which version you want to use.